Hello everyone. Okay, really quick video. I've been asked to do a tutorial on how I weathered the window on the Camel Trophy truck. What you will need: Tamiya weathering kit A. We will only be using the sand and light sand colours. A little tub of water, an old paintbrush, a small one, and the applicator that comes with your weathering kit. Now I'm going to get straight into this, make it as quick and as easy as possible for you to show you how I do it. First thing I'm going to do is just dip a little bit of water around my windscreen, just around the outside edge. Then I'm going to dip my little applicator into a mixture of the two colours I showed you. You'll have to excuse my hands here. And then dip this all the way around the window. Now it might go on a bit thick to start with, but we can soon soften that out. So we're just going to keep working it around. Get a little brush to sort of smooth it out a bit, take the thickness off of it. Once I get a good thickness and I'm happy with how it looks, then I can sort of work my way around and shape the window how I want. A bit more water, a bit more dust on my little applicator, work some of that around. Now what's important when you're doing your windows is you have to understand which way your wipers go and how much of the window they're going to clean. Now if you haven't already got your wipers glued on your truck, put them in, swing them up and down to give you a bit of an idea where it's going to go. On this truck they're already glued, so I'm going to do it by eye essentially, and I'll show you how I do that. Right, I'm going to take a little bit off of this piece here. Now the bonus with this stuff is, if I get a little bit of water, dab it on the window, I take a rag, I can wipe this stuff straight off, which lets me reapply a bit softer to give me that dusty effect that I want and not a wet look. Right, so just going to carry on dusting a bit more over here just to get the right look. I don't want it too thick. If I make it too thick, and I've said a lot of people do it, if you make it too thick, it's really obvious that you've been there. So I'm just going to almost wipe some of that away and then just dab the dust on. Okay, I'm getting close to being happy with it now. Just a couple of small dabs of water, a bit more of the powder. So you can see this process is pretty easy. It's just a matter of taking your time with it, having a play, getting everything right, getting everything to look how it should look. Right, now just do the final dab over to get rid of those white marks. You can already see the window's taking shape. It's already starting to look nice and dirty. Now for the next bit, I will use the sponge piece on my little applicator. These wipers move this way, so if we assume this wiper moves up to about yay and then stops, I'm going to have to use my other hand here, then we're going to have a straight line down to where the other wiper meets it, and then that's going to curve over here and then stop. That line should go down, slight little curve on the bottom here, gives you a bit of an idea of what we're shooting for. Now I'm going to keep using my little sponge to wipe off the stuff we don't want. As I'm doing this, I'm going to purposely do it in the direction that your wipers will run. That's going to give you the wiper marks. Get rid of that piece down there. Now obviously we can fine tune this once we get to a point where we're happy with it. I'm just going to keep wiping this off. So get rid of this stuff now. Now you can see it's starting to look like wipers have washed away some muddy dirt. Now this obviously is only a quick rough example. I haven't taken very long with this, and that's just so I can do a quick video to upload to Facebook. Right, I'm going to put a dab of water there and there. I'll take my rag and I'm going to clean off some of the window so you can actually see through it. it's really, really quick on how to dirty up your windows. And then just to sort of finish it off, a quick little dab of the dust, no more water, and then run a bit of an edge around what we've just done, so it's not really perfect. If it's too clear cut a line, it's just not going to look right. So there you go. That gives you a bit of a rough idea of how I do it. This obviously is a really quick rushed one, so it's not going to be spot on, but that gives you a quick idea of how you dirty up your window and make it look like. If I change those lights, will it work? Yeah, makes it look like it's actually a dirty old window. So that's how I do it. All you need, Tamiya weathering A, you only use sand and light sand. You need a little tub of water, the applicator, and an old paintbrush. That's it. Lovely. I hope this helps you guys out. You'll do a lot better than this. This is a quick rush job. But yeah, hope this helps you out and you weather up some windows. Lovely. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.